Hey kitchen lovers! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we uncover top-tier cooking gear so you can create like a pro without the price tag. Today, we're exploring the top 5 pasta maker machines of 2025. Whether you're crafting silky fettuccine, hearty lasagna sheets, or delicate ravioli, I've tested each of these to help you find the perfect match for your countertop. We'll go from number 5 up to the ultimate pasta champion. And if one catches your eye, scroll down. I've dropped the latest Amazon best deal links in the description for easy checkout. Let's get rolling. Number 5. Ace Chef Pasta Maker, the sleek starter set. This entry-level set gives you everything to start making pasta at home. A 7-thickness roller plus dual cutters for fettuccine and tagliatelle. The smooth-handed turn knob and adjustable thickness guides make consistency easy, and cleanup is a breeze with the stainless steel surfaces. Most users say it handles basic doughs well, though they warn heavier whole wheat blends may clog the rollers. If you're new to pasta making and want a simple, reliable kit to begin your culinary journey, the Ace Chef is a smart pick. Number 4. Iseler 2-in-1 Pasta Machine, the versatile all-rounder. This model adds serious control with 9 thickness settings, going from ultra-thin angel hair to thick lasagna sheets. The clever 2-in-1 design includes integrated roller and cutter modules, making transitions seamless. Reviewers love how easily it handles families' worth of dough, though some note the built-in crank may feel less sturdy than separate parts. But when tested, it produced consistent sheets and even dough thickness across batches. For cooks who bounce between pasta shapes and thicknesses regularly, this adds flexibility with ease. Number 3. Saleno 180 Roller Pasta Maker, the heavy-duty performer. If you're preparing pasta for a crowd, this one delivers. The wide 180mm rollers can handle larger dough batches, flattening and cutting effortlessly. The hand crank adjusts quickly, and the chrome-coated steel body stands up to heavy use. Customers rave about its durability, though some recommend securing it well since the unit can shift during use. Dough stays intact, sheets come out even, and cleanup is straightforward. Looking for a reliable pasta partner for frequent entertaining, the Saleno earns your attention. Number 2. Imperia Pasta Maker, 100% made in Italy, the heavy-duty classic. Straight from Turin comes this timeless Italian-crafted machine. Solid steel construction and a weighty clamp keep it grounded as the rollers and cutters glide through dough like butter. Users highlight how the consistent rollers produce perfect tagliatelle and lasagna every time, and they appreciate the easy-to-clean chrome finish. Some point out it's heavier to store, but the premium build quality shines through. This one feels like it will last decades. Serious pasta lovers who want Italian engineering on their countertop will love what Imperia brings to the table. Number 1. Marcato Atlas 150 Classic, the reigning pasta king. This is the benchmark for home pasta machines. Juniper fresh from Italy, the Atlas 150 delivers perfection with its smooth adjustable rollers, 6 thickness levels, and IXL cutter attachment. Its aluminum-wrapped steel body is durable yet elegant, and everything twists or clicks in place effortlessly. Reviewers consistently praise its value. It stands up against commercial units but sits comfortably on your countertop. Dough never tears, handling everything from spinach-infused sheets to hearty semolina. The Atlas combines craftsmanship, control, and style, making it the undisputed top pick. So there you have it, your top 5 pasta maker machines of 2025, each bringing something special to your kitchen countertop. Want a lightweight starter? Go for Ace Chef. Need versatility? Try Iseler. Hosting often? Saleno has you covered. Craving Italian heritage? Imperia or Marcato deliver. Tell me in the comments which one suits your cooking routine best. And if I've helped you choose, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check the best value links in the description so you can get rolling tonight. Until next time, buon appetito and happy pasta making!